fridge for steel. Go for it. Save your money. Just like our full service flat listing fee will save you money. I talked about something that I wanted, but I don't know where he is, so we'll see. I did buy a stove. I have a mint in my mouth. Does that look bad? I think we found our winner. So I'm gonna take a photo and I'm gonna send it to my husband real fast.
That's fine.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate you.
Thank you. I'm gonna take a photo for you and me, just so he can see it. It does have a small dent, but looking head on, you can't really see it. I think I'm good with it.
Well, that's what it's based on right now.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm showing it to you. I'm going to go get it. Okay. Will do. I love you. Bye. Well, I'm going to go buy my fridge and come check out Mazers if you need appliances because they've got all of the things. Bye.